Hi, welcome to Crowley's. I heard you wanted new countertops. Well, we're here to help you. First, you'll start in our beautiful showroom where we can get you an estimate. Then you'll go to one of our partners and we'll let you pick out a stone. And once they deliver it, the real magic happens. Follow me. So once your stone is delivered, we'll put it on this green screen camera. That way we're able to upload it digitally. Then we'll have a team member come out and do templating so we can really measure your unique space and all the little nooks and crannies so that everything fits perfectly. After that, we have a digital machine that we use to do a rough cut. Once that rough cut is done, we'll go to our CNC machine. This is where the magic happens. This will make sure everything's perfect and your cuts are all ready to go. And the last step, polishing. So we do all hand polishing. That way we can be sure everything is really perfect. And we just smooth out any edges, anything wrong with it, we fix it. After that, we'll stage you over here. And this is where the install team picks you up so you can be installed in 10 days or less.